Then some young students of music asked him that why he is singing like that with different gamakam, etc. Then Amjad Ali Khan Sahab says, why is he great? Because he just says Then he says he is great because you cannot do that. Just try to do like that. You cannot do that. So I liked this answer, Yes, of course we cannot do. It's a very simple thing. Just saying we cannot even say that. Like that. Never take this is very simple. I can do that. You cannot do. If you can do that, you would have done it. The very proof you have not done till today, that means you cannot do it. Swamiji, I can also think like that. Why have you not thought then all these 50 years what you are doing? That means you cannot think. Just let us say, even I cannot think without the help of Gita, without the help of Upanishad, without the help of my Guru's words, I cannot think. Better I don't think. Like that. So never take things for granted. So Sankalpaha, Avadhanam, then third is management. If things happen, try to manage it so that you can come back. That is called Samyamam. Samyamam, try to withstand for some time. Then the fourth one is Simhavalokanam. The fifth one is Vicharaha. Not Telugu Vicharaha, Samskrita Vicharaha. Telugu Vichara, we have another word. Edustu Kuchodan. Yamaba Endu Vicharan Gunnam. Atlaga. Vicharana. The pros and cons of everything. How to apply that law in life. Krishna says that, Hey Arjuna, Tasmad Yudhyasva Bharata. Now one person comes and says, Swamiji, I just follow what Krishna says. I just follow it. Really? Wonderful to see you. What is that you are following? Tasmad Yudhyasva Bharata. What is that you are doing? Every day I fight with my wife. I am a great follower of Krishna. Hey, stupid fellow. The Yuddha is for Arjuna, for your daily activity. Because when Krishna is saying Arjuna fight, fighting was his kartavyam, his swadharmam. So now without vicharana, if you just jump into that I am doing the same thing. I fight with my neighbor, I fight with my wife, and I also fight with my in-laws. So I am the fall. No. Do some vicharana. That means swadharma. As a husband, swadharma. As a student, swadharma. As a citizen, swadharma. As an employee, swadharma. Everything you should do that duty perfectly. As a father, as a mother, responsible. That is called vicharana. So all these things we have to do. Without vicharana also it won't work. So these 5 things you can keep. Whenever you see this hand like this, just remember. Then the morning you get up, Karagre, Vasade, Lakshmi, Karamadhya, you just repeat, and at the time you will be seeing all these 5 fingers. Whenever you see, just one is Sankalpa, the second is Avadhanam, the third is Samyamam, the fourth is Simhavalokanam, the fifth is Vicharana. Whenever you see, your life will not go after. Even if you daily chant these 5 things, even if you have not begun, just try to chant them. 5 words, repeat. And every word is not only the expression, it is 20% expression of your mind, 80% influence on your mind. Word, every spoken word has got twofold benefit. Twofold aspect it has. One is it expresses what is there inside. It also influences your own mind. It influences the locus of itself. From where it has come, it influences that. So, if you start saying that I am going to do, tomorrow you will do, and these 5 things will safeguard our spiritual journey. So, convert every activity of our day-to-day life into spiritual sadhana. In fact, as Vivekananda has very beautifully presented, this world is a gymnasium. This world is a gymnasium, not to grow your biceps, etc., not just to toughen your physical body, but to toughen that inner being, to become qualified for moksha, to become qualified for the Jivan Mukta Sthiti, that moksha, mukti, ananda, kaivalya, whatever the name you want, you can just put that name. Okay? So this is the aspect of spirituality in daily life, which is presented by Veda, Upanishad, Purana, Itihasa, Bhashya, etc. Whatever the source of Shastra we have, in one or the other way, Shastra is speaking about these things. And in the words of all our masters, this is the thing what we got. So today I got an opportunity to bring to you that inundation which flows from Narayana or Sadashiva up to our gurus. So we shall salute all that Guru Parampara, and this is going what? This is my, for this year's session, this is the last talk that I am delivering in California, in the state of California. And I also conclude with a prayer to the lotus feet of Paramatma that he should bless all of us, and he should enable me to come to this place again and again, and to share this knowledge of Rishis, as well as to be with you, and let me become one with all of you. That is my prayer. And also my thanks are due to Puja Mataji, and also Kalyan and his team. They have worked a lot for all this program. Because my friend who is in Knoxville, called Ravi Kumar, he is the one to bring me to America. Because I never thought I will come, nor I had interest. Never I felt that this much work can be done here. So he is the one to invite me, who took a lot of pain for, and he has not even invited, he hijacked me rather. Okay, with his force I have come here. Having come, I am going to a lot of places, and out of that California, which is as big as India, here we had so many programs. I spoke on sadhana, panchagam, etc. wherever we had some chance. So, and when I came to Tracy, I am invited by Kalyan and his wife. And after that, I am happy to see a lot of people are there around him. It's such a unity I could see in that group, wherein everyone is feeling responsible for the program. So, though I take Kalyan's name because I know his name just comes to me because of habit. But whenever I say Kalyan, that includes all that group. And here is our friend Sai, who is preparing so many delicious prasadams for every program. Then I told that don't take all this pain. He says, no, this is an opportunity for us to serve all the bhaktas. So that is their intention. So yesterday program, they have cooked so much, the preparation was made by him at his residence, and while bringing, he was rushing to the venue, and he got a ticket also. Kada? So such is his, like, I am not referring to the ticket, okay. Here what we want to convey is, such was his feeling that I should go in time and take all this food, and he has prepared for 200 people, I tell you. Though yesterday we were 50 or somebody, he has prepared for 200 people. So that food he puts in the car and brings all the way. See, such a love and dedication they have. So all these 8 or 10 talks, whatever I delivered in this region, are just because of the loving efforts of all these people. So all my prayers to Bhagavan, to shower all his blessings, to shower his Ananta Karuna on them, to make them enable them to have more Chitta Shuddhi, more Chitta Sanskaram, and thus they should become Jnana Yogyata, Prapti should come, they should become Jnana Yogya. And all my namaskarams to one and all here for considering me, and some are there from the very beginning of the talk. I am seeing wherever I am going, some people are with me all the time. So they have become a part of my parivar. So I am happy because you are coming, I am able to speak. And I can speak only when there are certain minds which are receiving. Because it's not at all possible for me just to prepare a talk, though people are there, I don't bother, I will speak, I cannot do that. Because when some receiving station is available, then I feel happy to give more and more. So if at all I spoke efficiently, that is purely because of those minds which have received it well. So my prostrations to all of them, and only a request that be associated with Shastra and the Parampara. Never go astray with all new concepts, etc. We don't need anything new. In fact, God himself is very old. Why should we need a new thing for him? So, the oldest thing is our Veda. So, let us follow the Veda. Let us follow that Parampara which has got Veda as its background and foundation. So, with these words I conclude. Thank you very much. Hari Om Tat Sat.